Welcome to Data Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about how to add a new column in existing table. We already discussed about how to create table in previous video. If you do not watch that video, you can watch from Snowflake SQL playlist in my channel. One request viewer, if you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Now let's get started. Let us assume we have a table called employee with flowing structure. So let's create employee table first with this structure. Let's insert sample data into employee table. For record inserted, let's validate data is populated and for record showing here. Now we have created table and stored information about employee in employee table. After some time we realize that we have to add new column or modify existing one. So what we do now, we can add new column using alter table command. So let's understand this. We can add a new column using alter table. After that table name, here in our case employee, then write here add, then column name and its data type, here in our case VARCHAR 1, and column name gender. So let's execute. Here statement is successful. Let's validate. Here new column added at the new column always added at the last of the table. So let's see another syntax. You can also use alter table employee. Here in this is table name, then add opening bracket and closing bracket, and here write column name, here write new column name, then data type. This syntax and this syntax add new column. This is same, not give any error. So let's execute to validate. Here this syntax is also executed successfully. Let's validate. New column added at the end of the table. Here gender 1 added. Okay, now let's move to another concept. Here we alter table employee, and we want to add department column in existing table, here in our case employee, and we use here not null constant. So using not null constant, we have to use default value if already store data in existing table. In our case employee table already store data. Here data is also populated in this table. So without using default value we cannot use not null constant. So first see, let us first see without default value. So here in we do not use default value. So let's see this statement is working or not. Here this statement is not work because table have already data. If table empty, then it's work. So if already have data in existing table, we have to use default value, which is in our case default 11. You can also use 0. Okay, so here statement is executed successfully. Let's validate. Here now department column added at the end of the table with default value 00. Okay, now let us suppose we have to add two new column at the same time. How we can do? We can do using alter table command, and then table name, then write here add in opening bracket, write here column name, data type, then comma, and another column name and data type. So let's execute. Statement is successful. Let's validate. Column edit or not. Here column edit, both column edit at the end of the table. Okay, so that's all about in this video. If you find this video helpful, please subscribe the channel and give thumbs up. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.